Good morning, everyone. Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. Welcome, Oreo. This is one of our barn cats. I think he's mad at us for leaving for England. He has been hanging out back here like he will not leave. He wants to come inside. He keeps coming inside when we open the door. He wants to be an inside cat, but I can't have 3 inside cats. We fed them. You can see I haven't cleaned up the bowls yet. But he's a very, very, very sweet cat. He's a boy. His name is Oreo, and he has always just been absolutely the sweetest. He will let me pet him and cuddle with him, but Monty's right here, so he's keeping his distance. Anyway, so I have already been out working in the garden for about an hour this morning, getting not like officially my daily routine done, but kind of my daily routine. I really want to get back to my daily routine, doing the 5 things: watering, weeding, deadheading, fertilizing, and planting every day, because my garden looks so good when I did that, and I haven't done it for about a month, and I'm definitely seeing my garden needs a little more TLC. But this morning I watered, I weeded, and then after weeding, I decided that I was going to give my long border a really good rinse, because it's that time of year. We haven't had any significant rain since May. So that's like 4 months, over 4 months really, of just dry, hot, dusty weather that's collecting on all the plants. And the plant, it's just like your house plants. You have to dust your house plants. If you live in a climate like I live, where it's really, really dry during the summer, these plants really appreciate a rinse off. And especially if you have spider mites, on my boxwoods up front, I started to notice a couple signs of spider mites, which is just the webbing that goes right on the stems. That's when I know I need to rinse my plants more. So I really did a really good focus rinsing all my plants in the long border, and they look a lot better, and I'm just gonna have to stay on top of that and keep working on that. So anyway, that's what I've done this morning. Now I'm coming back to the back garden, and I wanna work on my podocarpus hedge, because I've been talking to Michael Glassman. We are planning a trip to the wholesale nursery to do a tree purchase. 2 years ago, I did tree fall, where I went with Michael, and we picked out a whole bunch of trees and planted a whole bunch of them. And we're going to do a round 2 of that this fall. And it's not going to be like as much as we did the first fall. It's just going to be filling in the gaps. And part of the gaps are the gaps that I have for this podocarpus hedge back here, where about a third of them probably didn't make it. So I got 2/3 of the podocarpus. They look fantastic. They're growing. I see new growth on them. And then about a third needs to be replaced. And so we're going to do that probably next month is my guess. But for now, I want to remove the dead podocarpus that are just not looking good. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Huh? You want to come cuddle? I just want to cuddle. So here's a look at the back garden right now. It's looking pretty good, I must say. I just noticed a weed in my lavender hedge. So this lavender is doing absolutely amazing. This is the Summer Serenade lavender from Proven Winners. It's brand new, and it's beautiful. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. When I was in England, I did see they had such good plant combinations. And I have to say, next year, all my annuals and everything, because this is all coming out, these are all annuals, I'm going to switch it up, and all of it is going to be inspired by England. But I did see someone had a lavender hedge, but it was either boxwood or rosemary, I don't know. It was evergreen cones in between each one. And I thought, oh my gosh, that would be so beautiful around the fountain. I need to clean my fountain, my goodness. But anyway, so I thought about that, but then I thought, well, this lavender is going to grow, and it's going to grow quickly, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. So I think I'll just leave it and not worry about it. But the back garden is looking really, really good. My iceberg roses are going nuts. And what I want to work on is over here along this fence is my podocarpus hedge, or eventually what I want to be my podocarpus hedge. You can see there's gaps, and this is where we're going to put the new trees that we buy next month at the wholesale nursery with Michael. But you can see I have a couple that are dead. I was trying to limp these along, and they just didn't. It just didn't happen. So that's what I want to get done today, is I just want to pull these, cut them down so that I can put them in the compost pile I have some weeds that I gotta take care of too. It's just, yeah, it's just, it needs a little TLC, but look at this bed. Isn't that crazy? And my tomatoes, gosh, it's, you go away. It doesn't even matter how long you go away for. You can go away for like 2 days or a week or 10 days. And it just seems like your garden just goes nuts. I mean, look over here. This is the Misty Spires salvia. I told you guys about this. This is the dwarf version of Mystic Spires salvia. Look at how good that is, especially with this Supertunia Mini Vista Plum veins. Look at that combination. Isn't that just gorgeous? Looks so good. And then don't look in the back. There's weeds everywhere. But looking really, really good. Okay, so the dead podocarpus is pulled. It looks better. It looks bare. Look at this. It looks so bare. I don't like seeing this fence again. But I don't want to rush it. I don't want to rush the tree shopping because I really want to wait till the weather cools down. But we're close. We're close to fall. We usually stay hot until probably late September, early October. Then it starts to cool down. Today is going to be 100 degrees, but next week I checked, it's going to be in the 80s, which I'm very, very excited about. So that will be really nice. So anyway, I just got to be patient and wait to get the new podocarpus in, and I think that will look good. I think for now, I think I have to do some weeding, you guys. I know that's boring, but I got to do it. It won't take me that long, right? I could probably do each little aisle right here in 5 minutes. So I'll do 5 minutes here, 5 minutes here. The other thing I kind of want to do today too is my corn has sprouted, and I really want to thin it out because I did 2 corn kernels per hole, and I want to thin that out because I want them to grow up nice and strong. So I don't know if you guys can hear the chickens. They're yelling at me. They just want me to sit back there and like talk to them. They are the funniest chickens. Oh, and by the way, they have started laying eggs, which has been fantastic. Very exciting. They're good layers. So anyway, I'm going to get started on weeding and doing a little thinning. You hear the horse? Yeah. Hey, bud. So I got this aisle done and I got this aisle done. And based on how long I was recording for, this took me 6 minutes and this took me 6 minutes. So it doesn't take a long time. I just have to keep reminding myself, it's like emptying the dishwasher. It takes like 3 minutes to empty the dishwasher. I'm not even kidding. And I just have it built up in my mind that it takes so long, and it just really, really doesn't. So anyway, so these two are done. I am getting hot, so I'm not going to last that much longer. But I do want to go through and I want to thin all my corn. I do have a couple blank spots. Like there's a blank spot, there's a blank spot. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull, like you can see I have 2 corn right there. Pull one of them, transplant, like basically transplant some of them, just so that I can have it all full of corn and then thin them out. Okay, done. So corn is looking good. I will probably start fertilizing them next week because corn is a heavy feeder. These were 75-day corn, so I'm just gonna make it mid-October. They're gonna be ready to harvest. So I am definitely very close, but you might still be able to make it depending on your first frost date. But the soil temperature is so hot right now. They are just absolutely shooting up, which is great. I did want to say, these are my new gardening gloves from England, and I love them. They're so pretty. They're like this neutral camel color. They're gorgeous, but I just walked around for like 10 minutes looking for them. I could not find them anywhere. And it just goes to show this is why I wear pink gloves, because I just miss them. That completely blends in with my gravel, and I could not, like, I basically stepped right over them, and that's how I found them. So while these are very cute, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose them in no time. All right, so that's another successful gardening day. Little and often, no big projects, but I still feel accomplished, and I still feel like I got a lot done. I am getting really hot right now. I am excited. This is the last 100-degree day for at least a little while. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.